There are three types of avoidance plays that we will look at, and we're going to start off with the big idea of the danger hand and the safe hand, right? As declarer, oftentimes you have, well, you always have two defenders. One of them is often the danger hand and one is the safe hand. A popular declare play technique called the ducking play, the rule of 7 play, where you hold up a number of times, that's one method of creating a danger hand and a safe hand. Sometimes those danger hands and safe hands create themselves, and other times they're there at the very beginning. So if we have to have a danger hand and a safe hand, right, and we have to lose a trick, our goal is to lose a trick to the safe hand rather than the danger hand. Okay, so the safe hand is going to be our best friend, even though it's defender, and the danger hand is not going to be our friend at all, and they're still your defender. So let's look at the first type of avoidance play that we can make. And this is the danger hand and declarer stoppers. This is about the number of stoppers declarer has in their hand. So we have the club suit as our example here, and South is declare, and West leads out the 7 of clubs. Now, this is going to be a no trump contract here because West is underleading an ace. Avoidance plays work in both no trump contracts and suit contracts. Our example here will be versus a no trump contract. And the first trick goes, North is the dummy and plays the 4. East plays third hand high, the 10, and South wins the Jack. Now we have to do a little detective work here and interpret the opening lead and the third hand play. Right now, the opening lead, the 7 of clubs, looks like a 4th best opening lead. It's a low spot card relative to what we can see. And it looks as though West is leading from at least a 4-card suit, maybe longer, because there's some missing spots under that 7. Then we investigate what that 10 of clubs has to say. And third hand's rule is to play third hand high as necessary to win the trick, unless there is some kind of honor to guard in the dummy. Well, there's no honor at all in the dummy on this example. So East is playing the 10. And you play the what if game, right? South is holding the King, Jack, 9. It's going to win the 10 with the Jack. And plays the what if game. What if East held the Ace, 10, 2 of clubs? Well, the rule says East should play the ace as high as necessary to win the trick unless there's something to guard. What if we play the what if game? What if East had Queen, 10, 2? Well, East would play the Queen because, again, third hand plays as high as necessary to win the trick, and there's no exception because there's no honor in dummy. So we're going to take that Ace, Queen of clubs that we now know is not an East hand, and we're going to put that in West hand, which means West has the Ace, Queen of clubs on top of South's remaining King, 9. That makes West one that can hurt declare, but not the danger hand. Now, this is super confusing. It takes a while to figure this out, but if West wins a trick, right, declare plays a suit and West is on lead, West can't lead through South's King, 9. The best West can do is cash their Ace of clubs. But East, on the other hand, if East wins that trick that declare is giving up in a side suit, right, a spade winner or heart winner or diamond winner, whatever the working suit is, if East wins that trick and East returns the 5 of clubs, his current count, through South's King, 9 into West Ace Queen, West gets to take the rest of the tricks in the clubs. In other words, the defenders get 4 club tricks if East gets on lead. So even though West has the winners, right, they're still considered the safe hand because they're leading into, West is leading into South's King, 9. And East is called the danger hand because East, if on lead, can lead through South's King, 9 remaining.